Good morning, students. Affirmation. We are happy, humble, efficient, organized, diligent, united, and the best at whatever we do. Students, let us continue with the second lesson 1.2 The Swiss Family Robinson. Not finding one they thought of carving out their own cave in the rock. Father marked the dimensions for an opening and they picked away at the hard surface with the axes, chisels, hammers, and shovels. They had 4 rooms complete with fireplace. They had a new winter home. Because of the low light, the cave house they had built felt oppressive. To remedy this, Father and Jack rigged up a new light. They found a bamboo pole that would reach from the floor to the ceiling. Then, after securing it, Jack climbed to the top of the pole and hung a large oil lamp that they had rescued from the ship. One day, they found that one of the family's huts had been completely destroyed and the cultivated fields around it had been trampled and ruined by elephant herd. The next morning, the family began to design a new defense to discourage all wild animals from entering their cultivated lands. They built a new house using 4 strong trees that had grown in a square as a foundation. The trees were of equal size, approximately 12 feet apart, thus, they built another safe home. They lived on the island for the next 10 years and called it New Switzerland. 10 years passed, and the young boys were now young men. Once the eldest son, Fritz, came across a note by someone else stranded nearby. On searching, he found a young woman named Jenny Montrose who began to live with the family. On the shore of another island, Fritz had knocked down an albatross which was threatening to attack him and found a rag tied to the large bird. On the rag was a message that an English woman had been stranded on the smoking rock. Fritz had no idea how old the message was. His father suggested that Smoking Rock sounded like a reference to a volcano, since there were no volcanoes. However, Fritz felt that someone needed his help. He had written his own note on the rag, retied it to the albatross leg, and had watched the bird fly off. The note told whoever received it, "Do not despair. Help is near." Fritz then successfully rescued the young woman, Jenny Montrose. Though shy at first, soon she got used to living with Robinson family. A rescue ship for Jenny was spotted by Fritz and William. William, Elizabeth, Jack, and Ernest decided to continue to live on the island, while Fritz and Franz resolved to leave the island for Europe. The father had kept a record of the adventures on the island, which he gave to the captain of the ship to be published before the ship departed. The next day, Fritz and his father met the captain and told him their own history as well as Jenny's. To everyone's surprise, it had been Jenny's father who had inspired the captain's search. He believed his daughter was still alive after 3 years. The captain had decided to attempt to find her. As the day ended, the father realized that decisions must be made about who wanted to stay on the island or return with the ship. Elizabeth and her husband did not wish to live anywhere but on the island. They had been there for so long and had grown used to their life. Jenny asked if someone would support her return to England. Fritz was the first to respond. Ernest, on the other hand, wanted to stay on the island. Jack also decided to stay back. Franz, the youngest boy, decided to join Fritz in leaving. Franz wanted a chance to receive an academic education. Before Fritz left, he told his parents of his love for Jenny and his wish to marry her. The father had kept a record of all the adventures they had and on the island. He handed over the journals to the captain to be published. Then the ship departed. Students, we will see the meanings of this lesson. Abetting, having common boundary. Albatross, a large long-winged seabird. Encampment, the place of camp. Savage, a person who is not civilized or from ancient times. Albatross, a large long-winged seabird. Chisel, a long-bladed hand tool used to cut or shape wood, stone or metal. Shovel, a tool resembling a spade. Spyglass, a small telescope. Students, now we will go through the summary of the lesson. The story is about a Swiss family shipwrecked in the East Indies while it is en route Port Jackson, Austria. The Robinson family is in the hold of a sailing ship weathering a great storm. The ship's passengers evacuate without them, and the Robinsons, William and Elizabeth, and the 4 children, Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Francis, are left to survive alone. By the intervention of the Almighty, the ship survivors and the family receives a tropical desert island. The book covers more than 10 years. The father and the sons explore the island and develop different homes on the island. The mother tends gardens while the men do all the work required to build home. The Robinsons learn to live in the wild, have various adventures. However, while island life is full excitement, the question of whether to return to civilization looms. Thank you, students. Stay safe, stay healthy, with a cheerful smile always. Thank you, students.